Today I like to talk about the methods we use to regrow the hair of a person who has lost hair. Hair loss is a big problem in Sri Lanka as well as in many countries, and we see that commonly in males. In males we call it the male pattern baldness. We also call it androgenic alopecia. This can be inherited, and usually the men who start losing hair at an early age can get very extensive baldness. This hair loss is typically in the receding hairline and also on the top of the head. In females, we usually see the hair loss happening evenly over the entire scalp. We call that female pattern baldness. And the cause of the hair loss is mostly imbalance between the androgens and estrogens. We know the Western medicine has neglected mostly about the role of food in most of our diseases, and today we know that most of us lose hair because of the wrong food. Also, if you have hyperactive or underactive thyroid gland, you can lose hair. Women who get pregnant and have babies may lose their hair, some of their hair, about 3 months after they've had a baby, and this is usually related to the hormonal changes. This is not a big problem and can be treated easily. Some medications can also cause hair loss, so we had to always look at the patient's history and see what kind of medicine they are taking. The blood thinners or coumarin or warfarin are commonly found to be big culprits in hair loss. Also, the medicine we use for gout, high blood pressure, or heart problems such as some of the high blood pressure medications, and also vitamin A, as well as birth control pills and antidepressants are known to cause hair loss. And this is a fungal problem. We call it tinea capitis, and that also can cause hair loss. And sometimes lupus. In this picture we see lupus of the head, which can cause hair loss. Even diabetes is known to cause hair loss in people. If you wear a pigtail or use very tight hair rollers, because of that high pressure, you may pull your hair out. This is called traction alopecia. And hot oil air treatments or chemicals used in permanents can also cause inflammation of the hair follicle and can result in scarring and hair loss. And what are the methods we use to grow hair back? As we know, we have created a very special hair growth formula which has been very effective in hair growth, and you only have to apply this hair cream 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night. On top of that, we usually combine this with MSM, which is a supplement which I bring from US, as well as iron tablets. Some patients we also use additional medications. We also use cold laser treatments, as you can see in this picture. Cold laser treatment is very effective in stimulating the hair follicles, and we do these treatments every 2 weeks for about 6 times. And as we know, Western medicine has forgotten the role of diet, so we recommend our patients to avoid eating animal foods such as milk, meat, fish and eggs, because they increase your androgen levels, leading to hair loss. Not only that, if you eat animal foods, you can also get diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, stroke. And in fact, if you can avoid taking animal foods, you could probably live about 15 years longer, and also you can prevent the aging process to a certain extent. For some patients who have extensive hair loss, we recommend glutathione injections to detoxify their liver, and we can get very good results in 3 to 6 months in most patients if they follow all of our treatment protocols. And this good results can be obtained in men as well as in women.